Yep, we're changing a fuel filter. What's going on, YouTube? So I actually just recently bought this 2007 Ford Mustang GT, salvage, restored title, fun car to drive, and I've been crawling around under there messing with it, trying to figure out why it has some sort of a poor idle takeoff. So I've been looking at it. I even threw a custom tune on it, all this cool stuff, but still kind of has this issue, and I think I found the problem. You just crawl under here for 20 minutes. Oh, there's my keys. Don't want to lose those in the dirt. And I tore into this, and I'm pretty sure this is the stock fuel filter. It's a Motorcraft. Nobody I have ever seen puts a Motorcraft filter back in these cars. They either put whatever they are, Fram, or I bought a Wix, but yeah, I think that's a stock fuel filter. And they say you're supposed to change those every 20,000 miles. This thing's got 130,000 miles, so it's definitely due for a change. But yeah, we'll get that changed. Hopefully I can figure it out. It's been quite a challenge getting those bolts out. They were very oddly rusty for Arizona, but God knows the life on this car. It is not a 5.0, it is a 4.6, actually the same displacement engine as the Crown Vic here. It's just, it has a 3-valve 4.6. I'm not really sure on that. I haven't really looked into it much. I did through an SCT custom tune from, I think it was Bama. I put the can tune in it and it made it worse, so I contacted them and they made a revision to their tunes and it drives a lot better. It's actually really fun to drive, even though it's an automatic car, but it still drives significantly better. So I think I'm gonna go ahead now and throw in the new filter, which has been sitting here on the Amazon bag for about 2 days. It's just been so cold out lately, I just don't want to do nothing. So I'm done procrastinating. We're gonna go ahead and probably get some screwdrivers and get this filter out. Oh, hey guys. Oh, if I could get this thing out of the way all the way, you guys will be able to see a little better. Well, there's two little green tabs, and it looks like you just squeeze them. I just don't know how far in you squeeze them. Is there an easier way to do this? Oh, oh, oh. That was fun. I think I got it, at least this side. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Okay, there was a lot of fuel pressure. It's in my eye. Oh. I'm back. I'm back. Now that I put some water in my eyes, I should be fine. You know, it's just no, there's dirt in my eye. Oh yeah. Don't put this in the garage. No, no. Do it in the driveway under the carport. How did I even do this? Oh gosh, this gas. There's still gas coming out of it 10 minutes later everywhere. Ford, you didn't have to do this. And I like Ford, but come on, guys. Come on. Oh. Who would have thought the hardest part would be getting the thing out of the thing, you know? Is there a way to loosen this at all? You know what I would do to get it out? Is take it out of this thing completely if these were not brake lines. It should just slide it out. Maybe it should stay bolted in so you don't lose a lot of the, whatever that'd be called. Inertia, I think is the term. So we're gonna bolt it back up and test this whole inertia theory I just came up with in my head. Well, there we are. So if this is bolted up, the theory is it'll be strong enough now to not move when I try to freaking pry it out of there. And we'll kind of... There it is. We got, oh, it's brown coming out of there. Oh, it was filtering. Okay, we'll test that in a second. New one. New one goes in like that. Going. It's all the way in. Ow, finger stuck. And now, let's see if I can get this one in. That's it. She's in. That was not easy. So, to recap, all I did was I took this screwdriver right here and I pushed in this side of the clip all the way in. And then as I pressed it, I pulled it this way, while kind of prying it on this piece right here. And on the other side, I was just pushing it down with my finger. And well, as I pressed it out, I meant it goes this way, and it came right out. Piece of cake. All right, well, here it is. We gotta test the flow on this. Definitely an older filter. As you can see, it says Motorcraft. I don't know if that's how they word it when you, I'm sure it is, but this thing's been in there a while. But let's see, which way's the flow? This way, yeah. She's pretty plugged up. Oh man, that's not good. So I think that will solve the problem. But to get to that, there's like a whole shield that needs to come off. If you guys ever run into this issue, good luck. Listen, that thing has never made such little noise when I try to prime the fuel system. Key on, fuel pump went, made the noise it usually makes, did it twice, get all the air out of it. And now it's super quiet. I can't even hear the fuel pump, which at first scared me, but I'm pretty sure we're good. I don't see any leaks. Filter looks good up there. You can see the shielding all right there. It needs to be put away. So this thing is hopefully gonna run better than it ever has before. Just tripped over the old filter, but there you guys go. If you ever have to do this, it's not too hard. I mean, I didn't even watch a video. I just figured it out. It is underneath a shielding, but you could see it through the shielding. There's like a little cutout where you could see the filter. So I'm gonna go get a Sharpie, write the date and mileage, and then that's it. Filters change. We'll see how it starts up. Jeez, this thing is tall right now. Ugh. Oh. I don't know how people drive lifted cars. That feels weird, just kind of wrong. It does feel pretty funny actually up in the air. That is different. So before it would go all the way down and back up and all the way down, it kind of like surge, not like crazy amounts, probably like a good few hundred RPM. Nice. So e-brake off. I like to do neutral when I get off of these ramps. Got a nice shiny Crown Vic right there to watch my reflection so I know if I'm okay. Well, looks like we're going for drive. I never had them do this before. Right there. Man, she just rocked backwards when I put her in park. All right, let's take a look and listen here. Sounding good. That's off. Sure this side is. Well, there you guys have it. If you want to see any more videos on this car, go ahead and comment below. Think about naming it Ghost. thing's running so much smoother now. I'm so glad that was the problem. I can't wait to take it for a rip, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.